Let's be honest, being an entrepreneur is not easy. But if you're self-motivated to be a better version of yourself, you're probably looking for some recession-proof business ideas that can weather any storm. Listen, I get it. The world can feel pretty unpredictable these days, and starting a business can feel like a leap of faith. But here's the thing. There are some amazing opportunities out there right now, especially if you know where to look. So, if you're ready to ditch the fear and step into your entrepreneurial power, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing 12 pandemic-proof business ideas that are not only relevant right now, but are poised for continued growth. Let's dive in. Okay, so you know how much online shopping exploded during the pandemic? Like, seriously exploded. Well, guess what? That wasn't just a temporary blip. It was a massive shift in how we shop, and it's here to stay. Think about it. People crave convenience, and what's more convenient than shopping from your couch in your PJs? Plus, with so many amazing e-commerce platforms out there, it's never been easier to set up shop online. Whether you're passionate about handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or eco-friendly cleaning products, there's a hungry audience online just waiting to discover your unique awesomeness. The key here is to find your niche, create a brand that truly connects with your ideal customer, and deliver an exceptional online shopping experience. So if you've been dreaming of launching your own online store, now is the perfect time to take action. Let's face it, we're all busy, and sometimes getting to the store for groceries, takeout, or even that last-minute birthday present feels impossible. That's where delivery services come in. This industry absolutely boomed during the pandemic, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Why? Because people love the ease and speed of having things delivered right to their doorstep. But here's the thing. Delivery services aren't just about convenience, they're also about connection. They're about bringing people what they need, when they need it, and making their lives a little bit easier. So if you're someone who loves to hustle, thrives on organization, and gets a little thrill out of making people smile, starting a delivery service could be your perfect match. Have you noticed that more and more people are prioritizing their health and well-being these days? It's like a global wake-up call, and it's creating incredible opportunities in the health and wellness space. We're talking everything from fitness equipment and healthy meal delivery services to natural supplements and mindfulness apps. People are craving information, support, and products that help them feel their best, physically, mentally, and emotionally. This is your chance to turn your passion for wellness into a thriving business that makes a real difference in people's lives. So, if you're a certified yoga instructor, a holistic nutritionist, or maybe you just have a knack for creating delicious and healthy recipes, this booming industry is calling your name. Chapter 4. Remember when online learning was kind of a niche thing? Well, not anymore. The pandemic forced educational institutions and individuals alike to embrace the power of online learning. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. Here's the beautiful thing about online education. It breaks down barriers. It makes knowledge and skills accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. And the best part? You don't need to be a professor at a fancy university to share your expertise. If you're passionate about something, whether it's photography, coding, graphic design, or even how to bake the perfect sourdough bread, you can create and sell online courses or workshops. The demand for high-quality, engaging online learning experiences has never been higher. So if you've got knowledge to share, now is the time to shine. Chapter 5. While more people were spending time at home than ever before, it's no surprise that home improvement projects have skyrocketed. Think about it. When you're staring at the same four walls day after day, you start to notice every little imperfection. And suddenly, that outdated bathroom or cramped kitchen feels like a major priority. This surge in home improvement spending has created a massive demand for skilled professionals like contractors, plumbers, electricians, painters, you name it. But it's not just about major renovations. People are also investing in smaller upgrades and DIY projects to make their homes more functional, comfortable, and stylish. So if you're a whiz with a power drill, have an eye for design, or simply love the challenge of transforming spaces, the home improvement industry is brimming with opportunity. Chapter 6. Okay, let's be real, cleanliness has always been important, but the pandemic really put a spotlight on just how crucial it is for our health and well-being. And guess what? This heightened awareness around hygiene and sanitation isn't going away anytime soon. This is where starting a cleaning business comes in. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Cleaning? Really? But hear me out. This is a service that will always be in demand. Whether it's residential homes, commercial spaces, or even specialized cleaning services like post-construction cleanup or eco-friendly cleaning options. The key here is to differentiate yourself, whether it's by specializing in a specific type of cleaning, offering exceptional customer service, or becoming known for your eco-conscious practices. Chapter 7. The way we work has changed, my friend, and remote work is here to stay. Companies and individuals alike are embracing the flexibility and freedom that comes with working from anywhere. And this shift has created a surge in demand for tools and software that make remote work seamless and productive. We're talking about everything from project management software and video conferencing platforms to cybersecurity tools and cloud-based storage solutions. If you're tech-savvy and have a knack for creating user-friendly solutions, this is your chance to tap into a rapidly growing market. Whether you're developing the next big video conferencing app or creating innovative tools that streamline remote team collaboration, the possibilities in the remote workspace are endless. Chapter 8. Let's be honest. Who doesn't love receiving a box full of goodies delivered right to their doorstep? Subscription boxes have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer that irresistible combination of convenience, surprise, and personalization that we all crave. And the best part? There's a subscription box out there for practically every interest, hobby, and lifestyle imaginable. Whether you're passionate about organic skincare, artisanal coffee, or quirky socks, you can curate a subscription box that caters to a specific niche and watch your customer base grow. The key here is to create an experience that goes beyond just the products themselves. It's about building a community, fostering excitement, and making your subscribers feel like they're part of something special. Chapter 9. The pandemic forced the healthcare industry to adapt and innovate at lightning speed, and one of the most significant shifts has been the rapid adoption of telehealth services. Telehealth, or virtual healthcare, allows patients to connect with doctors and other healthcare providers remotely using video conferencing, phone calls, or even online messaging. This technology has been a game changer for people in remote areas, those with mobility issues, and anyone who values the convenience and accessibility of virtual consultations. And here's the thing, this trend is only going to continue to grow. Whether you're a healthcare professional looking to expand your reach, or an entrepreneur with a passion for using technology to improve healthcare, the telehealth revolution is brimming with opportunities. Chapter 10. Amplify your impact with digital marketing. Okay, we can't talk about pandemic-proof business ideas without talking about digital marketing. Why? Because in today's digital-first world, having a strong online presence isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Think about it. When was the last time you searched for a product or service online? Exactly. Digital marketing is how you reach your ideal customers where they're already spending their time. Online. We're talking about everything from search engine optimization or SEO and social media marketing to email marketing and content creation. The beauty of digital marketing is that it allows you to target your ideal audience with laser precision, track your results, and constantly refine your strategy for maximum impact. Chapter 11. Pamper our furry friends with pet products. Did you know that pet adoptions soared during the pandemic? It's true. People were craving companionship and unconditional love, and our furry friends definitely delivered. This surge in pet ownership has fueled a booming market for pet products and services, and it's not just about the basics like food and vet care anymore. We're talking about everything from personalized pet toys and subscription boxes filled with gourmet treats to dog walking services, pet sitters, and even pet photographers who capture those adorable furry faces. So, if you're an animal lover at heart and have a knack for creating products or services that pamper our four-legged friends, the pet industry is wagging its tail with excitement. Chapter 12. Be a financial superhero. Let's be honest, finances can be stressful, even in the best of times. But during times of uncertainty, having a solid financial plan and access to sound advice is more important than ever. That's where financial planning services come in. People are looking for guidance on everything from budgeting and debt management to investing and planning for retirement. If you have a head for numbers, a passion for helping others, and a knack for explaining complex financial concepts in a way that's easy to understand, becoming a financial advisor or coach could be your calling. This is a field where you can truly make a difference in people's lives by empowering them to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. Outrow ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? So there you have it, gorgeous. 12 pandemic-proof business ideas that are not only relevant right now, but are poised for continued growth in the years to come. Remember, the most important thing is to choose an idea that lights you up, that aligns with your passions and skills, and that allows you to make a real difference in the world. Don't be afraid to dream big, to take action, and to never ever give up on your entrepreneurial dreams. The world needs your unique brilliance.